Service in Lake Charles has issued a flash flood warning for northern Beauregard Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southwestern Vernon Parish in west central Louisiana, east central Newton County, and southeastern Texas until 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:17 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include DeRidder, Leesville, Rosa Pine, Maryville, Singer, Fort Johnson, Bon Weir, New Lano, Tulla Junction, Stringtown, Cravens, Vivens, Pickering, Evans, and Mundic Lake. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles